the Grizzly 2" by 42" knife-making belt. Sander grinder is an excellent entry-level tool for knife makers, combining portability with versatile functionality. Its lightweight design allows for easy storage and transport, while the variable speed motor provides precise control, ideal for accurate grinding with minimized heat buildup. Featuring a tilting sanding frame that adjusts up to 90 degrees and an adjustable tool, rest from 5 degrees to 120 degrees, it supports both horizontal and vertical knife shaping, adapting easily to various tasks. With flexible options and affordability, the T32459 is a great choice for beginners and hobbyists exploring knife making. The Corgi ClampOnTyre is a quick-release clamp designed to streamline wheel alignment procedures with ease and precision. Its lever-operated design ensures quick mounting and removal without any contact with the rim, protecting the wheel from damage. The self-centering mechanism uses a synchronized opening-closing system to align accurately with the wheel's center. Integrated rollers provide smooth, effortless mounting, while the lightweight, ergonomic design enhances handling. Additionally, the ClampOnTyre is compatible with Corgi's 3D wheel aligners, supporting thrust compensation for precise alignment. The HSS Higher Wallpaper Stripper is an efficient tool for removing a variety of wallpaper types, including vinyl and wood chip, without damaging the plaster beneath. Its 7.5-liter tank provides up to 90 minutes of continuous steam, allowing ample time for larger projects. Designed with a built-in step for easy reach of high areas, this stripper operates on 240 volts with 2750 watts of power, ensuring reliable performance. Lightweight and easy to set up, it simplifies the wallpaper removal process, making it an excellent choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. A Bowa chainsaw combines the curved bar of a bow saw with the power of a chainsaw, offering unique benefits for specific tasks. The curved design improves maneuverability in tight spaces, reduces operator fatigue, and provides better visibility for accurate cuts. It's ideal for jobs like cross-cutting wood on the ground and brush cutting. However, it's less versatile than traditional chainsaws and can be harder to find parts for. If you need a tool for specialized cuts, a Bowa chainsaw may be worth considering. The DUKA 42-in-1 rotary tool is a versatile and compact option for DIY and craft projects, featuring 42 accessories for tasks like carving, sanding, polishing, and drilling. Its heat dissipation design helps prevent overheating, allowing for extended use, while the variable speed control from 10,000 to 28,000 revolutions per minute suits various materials. Weighing just 260 grams, it's lightweight and easy to handle, with a long battery life that's ideal for detailed work on wood, metal, and plastics. The Kleine Tools collapsible dust bowl is an essential tool designed to maintain cleanliness in your work area while using hole saws. It is compatible with hole saws up to 6 3/8 inches in diameter and accommodates arbors up to 1/2 inch, featuring a vacuum port that accommodates 3 common hose sizes for efficient dust collection. The smooth collar ensures low-friction use, while the dual-material bowl provides stability during cuts. Its collapsible design allows for easy storage, and the translucent material offers clear visibility of the cutting process. Overall, this tool enhances efficiency, improves safety, and helps maintain a tidy workspace during cutting operations. The Cresent Bullbar is a versatile tool designed for demolition and renovation tasks, especially for removing deckboards, wood siding, and pallets. Its unique double fork design features gripping teeth that provide balanced lift on both sides of the nail, reducing slippage and making removal faster. The indexing head allows for angle adjustments, offering optimal leverage for various tasks. Additionally, it includes a center nail puller to tackle stubborn nails. With a patent-pending design that minimizes material damage, this tool combines durability with efficiency. The rugged construction and oxidized finish ensure protection against the elements, making it a reliable choice for any project. The Jessom Pocket Mill Pro is a versatile tool designed for creating precise mortises in wood, making it suitable for woodworkers of all skill levels. It features precision-machined components and easy-to-adjust settings, ensuring accurate mortise placement and depth. This tool can be used on the end, face, and side of a board, as well as mitered edges when paired with the optional workstation. Built from premium anodized aluminum and stainless steel, the Pocket Mill Pro is both durable and reliable. Its user-friendly design makes setup and operation straightforward, even for beginners. Plus, it offers an affordable solution for achieving precision in mortise creation compared to other methods. The TT3 tower lamp is a sleek and portable lighting solution designed for versatility. Its telescopic design allows height adjustment from 400 mm to 1,570 mm, making it ideal for various applications. With 3 brightness levels of 200, 500, and 1,500 lumens, along with color temperature options of 6,500K, 4,500K, and 3,000K, you can easily create the desired ambience. The rechargeable battery provides up to 10 hours of continuous use and features convenient USB-C charging. Rated IP65 for water resistance, this lamp is suitable for outdoor use. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand rough handling during travel or camping. The King Combo 2.0 is a versatile ladder system that adapts to 3 configurations: step ladder, extension ladder, and leaning ladder. As a step ladder, it provides a stable platform for various heights, while the extension ladder reaches ceilings, gutters, and high shelves. The leaning ladder design allows for closer work against walls and corners, perfect for painting and drywalling tasks. Key features include a one-handed hinge for easy transitions, compact storage that folds flat, and durable construction for heavy-duty use. It also boasts safety features like slip-resistant feet and wide rungs, ensuring a secure experience. Overall, the King Combo 2.0 combines innovation with safety for all your ladder needs. The Upcart Hero is an innovative stair-climbing handcart that simplifies the process of moving heavy loads up and down stairs. It's perfect for grocery shopping, allowing you to transport heavy bags without straining your back. Additionally, it facilitates moving large loads of laundry to and from the laundry room or basement. Ideal for relocation, the Upcart Hero can carry boxes and belongings during a move, and it's also useful for home improvement projects by transporting tools and materials. With a weight capacity of 140 pounds, this durable cart features a non-slip platform for added security. Overall, the Upcart Hero is an essential tool for anyone needing to maneuver heavy items safely and efficiently. Wolfcraft Bevel and Miter Box is a versatile woodworking tool that combines 2 essential functions into one. As a miter box, it allows for precise angle cuts, making it ideal for joining wood pieces at corners with clear markings for easy setup. The durable construction ensures it will withstand heavy use over time. Additionally, the bevel gauge feature enables accurate angle transfer between pieces, ensuring precise cuts, and is adjustable for various angles. With an adjustable angle range of 85 degrees to 180 degrees and integrated guide pins for accuracy, this tool simplifies the cutting process. Overall, the Wolfcraft Bevel and Miter Box is a valuable addition to any toolbox, suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers alike. The IML REI Power Drill is a digital wood inspection drill designed for evaluating the health of wooden structures like utility poles, playground equipment, and trees. It measures the resistance of its needle as it penetrates the wood, providing accurate insights into the wood's condition. With a user-friendly interface, it allows for quick inspections and delivers reliable data for informed decision-making. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand tough working conditions, while Bluetooth connectivity enables easy data transfer and analysis. Ideal for assessing utility pole integrity and ensuring playground safety, this tool is invaluable for professionals. Overall, the IML REI Power Drill enhances safety and maintenance planning by providing essential data on wooden structures. The Vaver pipe blockage detector locators are essential tools for efficiently identifying and resolving pipe blockages. Utilizing advanced electromagnetic induction technology, these locators ensure high accuracy in detecting obstructions within both metal and non-metal pipes. Their strong signal penetration capabilities allow them to work effectively through various materials, including PVC and plastic. Designed for durability, the IP67 waterproof rating makes them suitable for wet environments. With a long battery life and adjustable sensitivity, they can accommodate different pipe types and blockage depths. The user-friendly interface simplifies operation, making it accessible for all users. The Tajima Chalkrite Sturdy series offers durable and precise chalk lines, perfect for professionals in construction, carpentry, and flooring installation. With a robust construction featuring metal tips and handles, these chalk lines ensure increased strength and longevity. The 5-gear winding mechanism allows for smooth operation and effortless line retraction. Available in various thicknesses, including ultra-thin options, they provide precise line marking for any project. The large gasket-sealed refill port facilitates easy chalk replacement, while hook grooves on both sides enable secure storage. Overall, the Tajima Chalkrite Sturdy series is a reliable tool for accurate marking in various applications. The Trotec T600 is a professional handheld instrument for rapid, non-destructive measurement of subsurface moisture content, utilizing advanced microwave technology to detect moisture distributions up to 300 millimeters deep. Its key features include non-destructive measurement, independence from salt content, and an alarm function that alerts users when moisture levels exceed a preset threshold. The ergonomic design allows for easy one-handed operation, making it user-friendly. This versatile instrument is ideal for various applications, such as checking moisture content in construction, assessing existing structures during renovations, identifying water damage, and monitoring materials during production processes. The Hilti Neuron NRC622 is a cordless rebar cutter designed for efficient and safe cutting of rebar and threaded rods. It features low spark cutting with cermet-tipped blades that produce fewer sparks, reducing fire hazards. The optimized X-cut rebar blades ensure high productivity with faster cutting speeds and longer battery life. Enhanced safety is provided by a fully enclosed blade guard and adjustable side handle, creating a secure working environment. With a rebar cutting capacity of DI8 rebar, a blade diameter of 4 inches, and compatibility with the Neuron battery platform, this cutter is ideal for construction and demolition projects, especially in confined spaces. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.